For a long time, I thought investing was about buying cheap stocks. Low prices, big discounts, stocks that looked undervalued. But I was wrong. The biggest shift in my investing life happened when I realized this. I stopped buying cheap businesses and started buying great ones. Over time, I learned one rule that completely changed how I think about money and investing. I would rather buy a great business at a fair price than a fair business at a great price. That single idea saved me from years of costly mistakes. My old mistake: I used to chase cheap stocks. If the price looked low, I felt smart buying it. But most of those businesses were cheap for a reason. Weak foundations, no competitive advantage, poor long-term future. I realized I wasn't investing. I was just buying problems. How my thinking changed. I stopped asking myself, is this stock cheap? Now I ask, is this business truly great? For me, a great business has a strong brand, loyal customers, pricing power, high returns on capital, and the ability to grow without constant effort. Once I made this shift, everything became clear. The power of compounding. What really opened my eyes was understanding compounding. A mediocre business struggles no matter how cheap it is, but a great business compounds quietly over time. I learned that if I own the right business long enough, time becomes my biggest advantage. That's how wealth is built. What great businesses taught me. When I studied truly great companies, I noticed something important. They weren't cheap, but they were powerful. They could raise prices. They kept loyal customers, and they grew stronger year after year. That's the type of business I want to own. Why I almost ignored this rule? I'll be honest, cheap stocks felt safer to me. Great businesses looked expensive, but I realized I wasn't trying to get rich fast. I was trying to build wealth the right way. Patience mattered more than cleverness. How I invest now. Today, I think like a business owner, not a trader. Before I invest, I ask myself, would I be happy owning this for 10 years? Will this business survive bad times? Does it get stronger with age? If the answer is yes, I'm willing to wait. The real secret I learned isn't intelligence. It's discipline. I don't rush. I don't chase hype. I wait for great businesses and let time do the work. I stopped buying cheap businesses. I started buying great ones. And that decision changed everything. If there's one lesson I live by now, it's this. In the long run, quality always wins. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like and share.